Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500-gram cake from Red Lantern Fireworks called You Are Fired. It is 26 shots and we got this over there at Pizza Paul's Fireworks over there in Dallas, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. He got awesome stuff in store. Let's check underneath the hood. There's 5 across and 4 back, which is 20 shots. And then we got 6 for the finale, 26 shots total. That's how it goes. I did not see any description or effects on this cake, so I looked all over. But someone told me it did have whistling in it, so I'm excited to see how this one performs. If you guys like this cake, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. What do you guys think of this cake? See you guys.